There's nothing like being in love. I know that feeling. You are in love with her, you want to impress her, but you don't know how to get her attention. Well, today I'm gonna make that easy for you. Today I'm gonna give you 7 psychological tricks to get a girl to like you. Tricks that you can do even if you are an introvert. Does that sound interesting? Let's go into it. Number 1. Boost your confidence. Hey guys, nobody's born with limitless self-confidence, but it can be built. Having a right mindset to get a girl you like, it's extremely important. You gotta believe in yourself, you gotta love yourself enough, you gotta have a purpose in life which you are responsible for. For example, you have the same guys yet with different mindsets. This guy right here has a goal to achieve and he's working for. On the other hand, this is the same guy but without a purpose in life. If a girl gotta choose one to go into a relationship, it's almost sure it's gonna be the guy with a purpose in life, right? So here's a bonus tip to be more confident. Do something you are afraid of. Maybe you are afraid of skydiving. Maybe you are afraid of snakes. Or you are afraid of failure. But the best way to overcome fear is to face it head on. So get out your comfort zone and face your fears. Girls love a confident man. Number 2. Impress as an alpha male. You never get a second chance to make a first impression. Listen to this. When a person falls in love, it happens almost instantaneously. After that, minor things like the truth about the newly beloved are cast aside unless those truths happen to reinforce the wonderfulness of their love. Now, of course, this rule is not 100% accurate, but whether you like it or not, first impressions matter. How you look, walk, talk, and even a smell can make or break girls' first impression of you. Go and take a shower as good as possible. Put clean clothes on, some cologne. It doesn't gotta be expensive, but it gotta smell good. Take care of your posture. Standing up tall makes you look and feel better. This is an amazing trick that if you apply it wisely, is gonna double or triple your chances at getting a date with a girl you like. Number 3. Be funny. Being funny can make everything easier. Don't you believe me? Okay, let's hop into it. Let's assume you're having a dinner with a girl for the first time. She's talking to you and you are saying, wow, cool, that's awesome, you're right. So, you see how awkward that was? You feel like you're not able to come up with anything clever on the spot. She might think, oh, he's so bored. And your inner self is laughing at you. Such a loser. But I know you don't want to be in that embarrassing situation. You may think you are not a funny person, but you don't have to be Kevin Hart or Adam Sandler. And now I will hand you the key to make her laugh. Here we go. You can tell stories that have humorous elements. You can watch TV shows. They have a lot of jokes. You gotta put yourself out there. The next time you are at the social gathering, make a few jokes. It might be awkward, but don't give up. You are developing the skill and eventually you'll get better. The more you tell, the better you'll get. Number 4. Play guitar or pretend you do. This is a great tip. I'm gonna explain you right now why. If you wanna boost your sex appeal to get a girl to like you, playing guitar can be a powerful way. Even science says that. A study published in Psychology of Music, a girl is more likely to give you her number to a guy carrying a guitar case than a man holding a gym bag. For the experiment, a man approached 300 women, and after complimenting them, asked for the phone numbers. He did this in 3 different scenarios: holding the guitar case, with a sports bag, and not carrying nothing at all. The actor had 31% success rate holding the guitar case, a 14% holding nothing at all, and 9% success rate holding the sports bag. Girls associate musical talent with a genetic advantage, plus music induces positive effect. Number 5. Make her friends think you're awesome. If you want a girl to go crazy over you, then it helps a lot if her friends think you are the best thing ever. It's gonna be easy for you to get her attention. But be careful, if you're only nice to the girl you like and you are kinda mean to the rest of her friends, then she'll get word of it and will think that you don't really care about people. But if you charm her friends without flirting with them or giving them the wrong idea, then she'll get word of how nice of a guy you are and will like you even more. Number 6. Make her feel special. If you want her to fall in love with you, you gotta make her feel special by taking the time to recognize her as a unique individual. You can tell her you are not like other girls or you are so different from your friends, and make her see that she really does stand out to you. You can give her a specific compliment about her personality or mention something she said in a previous conversation to show that you are listening and that you do care. But there's more. What I'm about to tell you is even more effective. If you believe me and apply it, you'll be well rewarded. If you don't believe me, I'll make it worth you change your mind. Here's the thing. Tell her a secret. Self-disclosure may be one of the best relationship building techniques. You can try this on your own as you are getting to know her. You can tell her a secret about something that happened to you before, something personal that not many people know. When you do this, she's gonna notice you trust her, and subconsciously it'll make her trust you more. We are human beings, right? We got natural instincts and we tend to be cautious of new people and not to trust them. That's the reason we like and trust people who trust us first. Don't do this to every girl though, or it'll get back to her and it'll look like you are just a player. Girls wanna feel unique, and if they can find a guy who makes them feel that way, they are being all in. Take the time to really notice the things that make the girl stand out, whether it is her confidence, her laugh, or her talent at dancing. Let her know why she is special. Number 7. Let her talk about herself. Harvard researchers recently discovered that talking about yourself may be inherently rewarding the same way the food, money, and sex are. Let me explain. Brain regions associated with motivation and reward were most active when people are sharing information publicly, but also were active when they are talking about themselves without anyone listening. In other words, letting her share a story or two about her life instead of blabbing about yours will give her more positive memories of your interaction. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to click the like button down below and subscribe for more relevant content.